Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an Eharmony account. So first of all, go to any web browser on your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar type in eharmony.com. Hit enter. You can also sign up from your mobile device. It is available on both Android and iOS device, so you can sign up from there also. Then you'll have to select the option whether you are a man or a woman, and also choose for what you are looking for, either a man or a woman. Then you can enter your email address and create a password, or you could also sign up with Facebook. But in this video, I will join by creating an email. So I'll type in my email address, and after entering my email address, it will ask me to create a password. So the password must be at least 8 characters, and it should contain letters and numbers or special characters, and it must not be the same as your email address. And once you've entered a password, click join now, and then you have completed the first step. So click continue, again continue, again continue. Now choose the answers that suits you best and click continue. Keep on doing this process until all the questions are finished. Then again, after answering the questions, you'll have successfully completed 40%. After that, again click continue. And now in this step, you'll have to pick out the photo that most appeals to you. Now click continue and choose the pictures that most appeal to you. And after you've chosen the photos, you will have completed 50% in creating an account. So again click continue, and now it will ask you about everyday habits and outlook. So answer them honestly. And now you are almost there, so click continue again. And now it will again ask more questions, so answer them. And now you have successfully completed the compatibility quiz. Now click continue. And now finally, you'll have to enter your first name, last name, birth date, occupation, height, marital status, annual income, education level, your address, and all sort of information related to you. So enter the information. And then after you have filled out all your details, click continue. And now you'll have to select a profile picture. Or if you don't want to, you can also click the option upload later. And now you'll again have to answer at least one question for your profile. And then click start. And there you have it. You have successfully created an eHarmony account. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.